Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to show you healthy versions of 10 popular dishes that are super quick and easy, all ready in under 15 minutes with pre-preparation. You'll learn simple, healthy recipes for your favorite foods. We'll explain why these healthier versions are better for your health. And, we'll show you how small changes can make a big difference. The link to the detailed recipes is mentioned in the description box and also pinned in the comments section. So, let's get cooking. The first food is dahi vada, which is a cooling, protein-rich dish, but the deep frying adds unnecessary fats. A healthier version is steamed, cutting down on oil while keeping all the flavor. The curd topping is rich in probiotics, which promote gut health. This twist is perfect for a light yet filling dinner option. Make non-fried vada using a mix of moong dal and rice batter. Steam them in idli molds and top with curd, roasted cumin, chili powder and tamarind chutney. Up next, we have pav bhaji, which is comforting but often loaded with butter and starchy potatoes. Sprouts pav bhaji is a healthier option, packed with plant protein and fiber. Sprouts help with weight management and are great for digestion. You can still enjoy the same masala flavors but with better nutrition. Cook sprouts with mixed veggies and tomatoes and then mash them, and add your favorite spices. Serve it with lightly toasted whole wheat pav, multigrain pav or whole wheat rotis. Let's move to grilled sandwich. We all love a grilled sandwich loaded with cheese, but it's usually high in saturated fats and empty calories. This healthier twist replaces cheese for grated paneer, nutrient-packed veggies and uses multigrain bread for added fiber. It's perfect for a quick meal or snack that keeps you full longer. Plus, the veggies in paneer provide essential vitamins and minerals along with protein. Layer multigrain bread with mint chutney, grated paneer, cucumber, tomato, and capsicum. Grill it with a light brush of ghee for that crispy golden finish. Now on to another popular food, pizza. Pizza cravings often lead to consuming extra carbs and unhealthy fats. This oats pizza base is a game changer, offering more fiber and fewer empty calories. Oats support digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Topped with fresh veggies, it's a colorful and nutritious treat. Mix powdered oats with gram flour and cook like an uttapam on a tawa. Add veggies, a sprinkle of grated paneer, and enjoy. Following that, here's more, Frankie. Frankies are an easy snack but usually wrapped in refined flour. Using whole wheat roti adds more fiber and makes it a wholesome option. The veggie filling boosts its nutrient content, making it a balanced meal on the go. Fill your whole wheat roti with sautéed veggies, green chutney, grated tofu and shredded cabbage. Roll it up, and you're good to go. Next on the list is chole bhature. Traditional bhature are made with refined flour and are deep fried, which lacks nutrients and adds empty calories. By switching to whole wheat, you get more fiber and sustained energy. This healthier version pairs well with any curry for a satisfying meal. Make a dough with whole wheat flour and ajwain. Roll and cook the roti on a tawa and serve with onion salad and lemon. And now we have chow mein noodles. Chow mein noodles are quick but often packed with preservatives and sodium, plus they are made up of refined flour with hardly any nutrition. Millet noodles are a healthier, natural alternative. Millets are gluten-free, rich in nutrients, and great for weight loss. Cook millet noodles and toss with stir-fried veggies, salt, pepper and a dash of chili for a flavorful meal. You can also serve it with tossed paneer or tofu to make it a complete meal. Time for the next favorite food, white sauce pasta. White sauce pasta is often loaded with cream and refined flour, which can weigh you down. A healthier version uses whole wheat pasta, which is higher in fiber. You can also opt for chickpea pasta. The pasta are tossed with olive oil and fresh veggies. It's a balanced and light meal. Cook whole wheat pasta, toss with olive oil, homemade tomato puree, garlic, and veggies, and finish with a sprinkle of oregano. Let's talk about everybody's favorite, momos. Who doesn't love steaming hot momos? But regular momos are made with refined flour and may lack nutrition. Our healthy version uses whole wheat flour and a veggie-packed filling. Whole wheat adds fiber, and the veggies provide essential vitamins and minerals. Knead whole wheat dough, fill it with finely chopped veggies like cabbage, carrots, and capsicum, and steam for 10 minutes. Pair with homemade chutney for the ultimate experience. Finally, we wrap with biryani. Biryani is a classic dish but often made with white rice and lots of oil. Brown rice biryani is a healthier option, rich in fiber and nutrients. Brown rice keeps you full for longer and is great for heart health. This lighter biryani is just as flavorful and aromatic. Cook brown rice with veggies, paneer spices, and a dash of ghee for a guilt-free biryani experience. In this video, we have discovered healthier versions of 10 favorite dishes, all made in under 15 minutes. These quick and balanced recipes are perfect for busy lives, offering guilt-free meals that you can enjoy anytime. Let's make healthy eating simple and delicious. If you're interested in a personalized, free diet plan to support your PCOS, thyroid or weight loss journey, simply fill out the form provided in the description box. By completing the form, you'll receive a tailored plan that aligns with your needs and preferences, making it easier to manage your symptoms naturally. Don't miss out on this free resource created just for you. Thanks for watching. Which of these recipes are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let us know. And do not forget to share this video with your friends who love food but want to stay healthy. Remember, stay healthy, eat smart, and we'll catch you in the next video.